Right mga spero, mag-outing-outing sa karon. Ligo-ligo, banding-banding kauban ang mga tropa na mo diriya sa Yamba. Oh. Ari ang mga pounder oh.
Pound. Mura magtigo lang. Nere ay paggubanan, paggubanan nere uling.
Mga kaubanan na mo diri. So diri mi moagi sa Amazon River padulong sa muang diving spot. Kay mag-catch and cook to may karon. So tara, let's go.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeeze till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Payas taga bukid oy, kita nagdagat.
sa Ginoo murag ihangak gid mi kay kulang sa practice pa. Para karon pa gid mi nakaingon ani nga mag-hike tapos mag-dive. So
check na to ato ang kadagatan karon. Mao na ning plastada ron no. Linaw kayo. Og mao ni ang ato ang area karon diri ta magluto-luto. So nanatay kalayo, nanay nakatak-ang pero kanang kalayo dili na ato ato lang di-assume. Assume lang ato. Oo.
Oy sa babay kapoy ko.
Mao ni ato ang kuan karon pambato. Maniguro kita karon kay para natay makuha. Isang unsa lang. Ah.
Dugong lang. Dugong lang. Oy bawal na bro, butterfly fish lang.
Ari, so power nila lagi may gisa ka muang kuan, muang import kay mga gini mo pag-asa ron sa muang sutukin. Sugba to kilaw.
Yo, kusima kinila bangko na ni.
Si Junjun. So naka-prepare na ta. na kita karon. Let's go right. Ara oh. Naglasa-lasa ang sabaw. Ay ako na dalati. Atong chip cook araw. Shout out sa tong chip cook.
Shout out.
Usa man ni isa, usa may plano ani.
Igna lang og nakay pagdumot. Suryahan nato na. Bro Pusima, kaon ta. Bro. Dalang sponsor oh. Wala bida. Ah, napay sa akin bro.
Ari pa oh.
Oh.
Alright,
Di masiruhan.
oh, may itlog. Itlog ni Richard.
Itlog ni Marvin.
Ano?
Itlog ni Marvin na.
So, tara. Kaon na.
Magaparinta sa lakyan to. Nay, may sakyan na to yung ipakamigo dito.
Right. Kaon na ta mga spero.
Uy, para kay Bro Ed.
Hello. Bro,
Ayos.
inani ta pohon. Hello.
Ito yan, ikaw.
Inani ba? Catch and cook. Ako ray catch, kamo ray cook.
Kung kami kaon.
Dala na
pagdumot.
Luya, asa mga inahan ninyo?
Luoy kayo sila. Kaon nyo. Pulpul oh.
Dito he. Kob-kob.
Kung birada ba? Napay kanto dito.
Napay dito.
Ay ako dito na mahulaw sila.
Bro Dex. Soon. Sayang kayo. Apelon ta kadreo, araw. Kob-kob tirada, kob-kob. Ay. Oh, napay pa. Napay pa.
Ara, gusto na natin muna.
Ara. Oh, kinsay una mo punit. Kit-kit lang.
Kita muna.
Bro guys, kob-kob. No?
Keg-keg.
Bro Pusima, kaon.
Yes, panang alam mo, mabintaw.
Alright. Uman ra gyud mi sa mga outing-outing mga kaspero. Wala kayo tay isda karon pero enjoy lang.
Prepare na may para manguli. Mao lang gihapon kung unsay sulod niya ganina. Sa among paguli, mo ra gihapon way nadagdag.
Pero solid. Memories.
Enjoy lang, enjoy. Isa lang ka bluefin trevally. Impas ang sinabaw.